everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. RBI assistant notification is out. You should not do two mistakes while applying for this particular notification. दो गलतियां करनी ही नहीं है जब आप इस एप्लीकेशन के लिए अप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं. बता देता हूं, अदरवाइज एट द लास्ट मोमेंट इवन आफ्टर डूइंग एवरीथिंग यू विल गेट सिलेक्टेड एंड you will not get the offer letter. RBI will reject you at the last because of these two mistakes. I am telling you one by one. First one is LPT, Language Proficiency Test. Before moving toward the concept, one important information that if you are looking for one-stop solution for your complete general awareness, banking awareness, static GK, current affairs, last 6 month topic wise where you can get RBI circular, RBI news, banking, financial news at one place, monthly, topic wise, join the batch, Hustle 3.0 without any hesitation. Moving back to the topic. So, RBI assistant notification came with the number of vacancies of 650. Total 1300 candidates will be called for LPT, Language Proficiency Test के लिए बुलाए जाएंगे 1300 student. Those who will clear pre-means, after that they will be going for LPT. Now you might be thinking, LPT, why this much? Why not 900? Why not 700? Why 1300? Because in the LPT also they will select half of the candidate. LPT से भी आपके half of the candidate select होंगे, half will be rejected. So 1300 students will be called for LPT. Now why this LPT and what we need to keep in mind while application? Dates are there in front of you. Your mains exam is scheduled on 7th of June. After that, once the result of means will be out, then your LPT will be conducted. So there will be a separate call letter for LPT. LPT will be conducted at the regional office of RBI where you have applied. तो जिस भी सर्कल में आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो वहां के RO में आपका LPT कंडक्ट होता है. Now, sometimes what we do is we see that, oh, number of vacancies. Where is the number of vacancies? Acha, Mumbai, Maharashtra, more vacancies are there, 249. What should I do? I know little Marathi. I can understand little Marathi. Let's apply in Mumbai. मुझे थोड़ा मराठी समझ आता है, चलो मुंबई में अप्लाई कर दो. Don't do that. Do check the language they ask you in the notification. Do check the language which they ask you during the notification. जो भी language उन्होंने notification में बोला है, like मुंबई, you should know मराठी और कोंकणी. If you know any of the language properly, then only apply. Then only apply. Otherwise, don't apply. If you know little information, little knowledge, in the last, out of this number which I have told you, that 1300 candidates will go for LPT and 650 will be selected. It's your choice now. That while applying, you can decide you should be there in the selected 650 or you want to be there in the rejected 650 after the LPT. वो आपका चॉइस है. तो जिस भी जगह पर आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो वहां का लैंग्वेज आपको सही से आना चाहिए. यू शुड नो हाउ टू रीड, हाउ टू राइट, हाउ टू स्पीक, ऑल थ्री थिंग्स अच्छे से आपको आना चाहिए. ऑल्दो इन द अपकमिंग डेज आई विल मेक द वीडियो ऑन द LPT ऑल्सो, बट दैट इज वी हैव टाइम. Right now, you should not do this mistake. Number one, that just because of the number of vacancies, you are randomly applying in some state कि यार last में पढ़ लेंगे. People do this. They apply from Gujarat that I will learn Gujarati in the last. You will not get that time and RBI will conduct it very strictly. Not like RRB, not like IBPS. RRB, IBPS की तरह ये LPT conduct नहीं करते. बहुत ही ज्यादा tough होगा इनका LPT. मेरा पहला point clear हो गया होगा, I think. Second point is regarding category, whatever the category you are applying, if you have EWS certificate, अगर आपके पास EWS certificate है in hand, if you have at the time of application, that is also for the current financial year, then only apply. Then only apply. Don't apply just with the commitment that one of my uncle told that okay, we will arrange EWS certificate for you or OBC certificate for you or OBC certificate for you or SC certificate for you. Will arrange. No. Until unless you don't have category certificate, don't apply. Go for unreserved. This is the second most important area where RBI will not, even IBPS don't consider. If you have applied in EWS, does not matter how much you have scored in the examination, If you don't have certificate, you will not consider as a unreserved candidate. वो आपको unreserved candidate consider नहीं करते हैं. you will be rejected. You will be completely rejected after that. आपको वो पूरी तरीके से वहां से रिजेक्ट कर देते हैं from the final process. This is the second thing. एक क्वेश्चन और आएगा, सर LPT will be conducted for everyone or it will be conducted only for the people those who are not able to present certain documents. Sir, for example, sir, I have Hindi in my class 10th, class 12th. I am applying from a Hindi spoken state. I am applying from Bhopal circle. मैं भोपाल सर्कल से अप्लाई कर रहा हूं सर, and I have Hindi as one of my primary language in class 10th and class 12th, because in most of the places they don't take LPT. Here RBI said LPT will be conducted for everyone. यहां RBI ने बोला है LPT सबके लिए होगा. Either you have document or not, you have to go for LPT. तो मैंने दो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आपको बता दिए हैं. पहला, LPT टफ होता है, प्रॉपरली अप्लाई करो, जहां का लैंग्वेज आपको आता है उस जगह पर अप्लाई करो. दूसरा, जिस भी कैटेगरी में आप बिलोंग करते हो, वॉट एवर द सर्टिफिकेट यू हैव, अप्लाई ओनली इन दैट कैटेगरी. ये दो गलतियां मत करना, अदरवाइज योर ऑल द हार्ड वर्क विल गोइंग टू बी लूज एट द लास्ट मोमेंट. All the best from my side. Hustle 3.2 is your one-stop solution for the complete preparation of GA. Our platinum mock test package at present in the Mahashivratri offer is available, started from 199 rupees. You can check the details for your preparation. And our bundle PDF course with the proper 50 days plan target. You can join it for your preparation purpose. 3-month validity is available from 395 and 6-month 575. So you can join it, start your preparation properly. If you want to connect with me, this is my Telegram group. If you have any confusion, my next video will be on how to prepare GA for LIC assistant examination, how many month current affairs required, what are the topic you need to cover, how much weightage you need to give on banking awareness, what will be the weightage of current affairs. Next video tomorrow. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Jai Hind. Please like the session, share with your friends as well. Take care. Jai Hind.